Hi there, students. Omniscient. Okay, omniscient, an adjective, and omniscience, the noun, an uncountable noun. Okay, omniscient, if you describe somebody as omniscient, it means that they know everything, or they appear to know everything. This is more than a know-it-all. Yeah, a know-it-all pretends to know everything, whereas somebody who's omniscient, either it seems that it's really true that they do know everything, or in fact they really do. So, I think if a God exists, if God exists, then God has to be omniscient. Yeah, God has to know absolutely everything. Yeah. Um, let's see, I think you can probably most commonly see this word omniscient when we're talking about novels and writing and stories, because there are various different ways to write a story. Let's see, you can write a story from the point of view of the first person. Yeah, I went into the room, I sat down. And I looked at the people who seemed to be rather angry with me. Okay, that's from the first person. You could tell a story as a fly on the wall, looking down and seeing, observing everything. Yeah, but not actually knowing what people think. Or you could be, you could tell the story from the point of view of somebody who is omniscient. Yeah, so you are looking at the story and you know everybody's feelings, everybody's motivations, everybody's reasons for doing things. Yeah. So he sat down and looked at her and thought that she looked very pretty. She saw him sit down, but thought that he was a rather unpleasant man, and she really didn't like the way he was staring at her. Okay, this is omniscient. You know what's going on in the heads of both people, what they're actually thinking. And I think this is another place where you might see omniscient. So omniscient, having total knowledge. So a story narrated from an omniscient point of view. Yeah, or a god. I think by definition a god needs to be omniscient and know everything. That a god needs to be all-knowing, yeah, all-wise, all-seeing, yeah. I don't know. It could be rather difficult to be omniscient and know everything. Yeah, you've got infinite awareness, infinite understanding. Yeah, complete knowledge of the universe and things even outside the universe. Let's see. In today's world of computers, it appears that computer systems are omniscient about our daily lives and the things that we do. So it seems that maybe Google has an omniscient data gathering network. Yeah, it knows absolutely everything about us. Yeah, maybe that much. Let's see, they say a little bit of knowledge is a good thing, but is too much knowledge a bad thing? Yeah, knowing everything. I guess if you know absolutely everything, then you have absolute power. You could effectively make anybody do anything you wanted. Yeah, so omniscience, knowing everything. Let's see, as to formality, omniscience. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, omnis, meaning all, and sciens or sciens, meaning to know or knowing. So all knowing, knowing everything. Yeah, and that's really the idea of omniscient. Yeah, you know absolutely everything. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. omniscient, omniscience.